So this is a Flic 2.0 button. I had a bunch of Flic buttons several years back. These are Bluetooth buttons, or if you get a hub, they can be central to your wireless network at home. But you program these to do smart things. For example, you can turn your lights on and off. You can open a Google Doc. You can log time for a job. You can play music. You can use it for a shutter button for your camera. Pretty much anything you can do with these buttons. They have an app, but it also connects with things like IFTTT, if this then that, or Zapier. It works with Alexa. I don't know if it works with Google Home, but smart devices. You can set up and trigger Alexa routines with this. And I'll show you on a screen grab some of the things you can do in IFTTT. You can tweet. You can notify people you're going live on Twitch. You can share a preset post. I mean, so many things. So, I have a 10% off code. The link is in the description. I highly recommend these. 2.0 has a much longer battery life, a cool, sleek design. You can stick it on something. You can even put a label on the top to differentiate what it does. And each button can be used for 3 separate functions, with a single click, a double click, or a hold. So I love these. I highly recommend them. They're part of my daily workflow. It makes me more productive, more efficient, and they're fun. Check it out. Thanks. This is Lisa from Distonic Studios.